Enti any 1st July 2025. And say it normal Republic Day. What I say. Now and then necessarily the president. Oshia Ghana so for you now for another prayers and Thanksgiving service. Chira say the empire na chira Ghana economy. The empire and na Ghana ye. Na and no his excellency esa ma Ghana we asa funa nyina ma Ghana nyina special gift. My gift ahodo bebrebe gift in the endorse pa na emu eti ehwam. Me ba me fra say ba me fa TikTok on so. Na me kwana nsem mo ka kire Mahama panfa gift na odi aba na no. Ensem no ano ehye ahi Penyah Broad Media. Me so say dey obe like video no that my subscribe button no be click notification icon to latest update. Na ba kire wa adwe dey ama me e wo comment section the password. No achieve no for so enya bi ahwe. Enti and 1st July 2025 and I said the president etuosi was say afi bia yem fence wona enye enkaedum I say eye da omamu nyina be hia na ya bom paye ni asa danya me ase is a bit ye be jump paye go Ghana so ba Ghana be ye by force Mahama say ye be jump paye empire ye be dwa go Ghana so a ama Ghana be ye hon fi ote Ghana so obedwane nem obedwane enti me ko bi na ase kwa me hu agrasco what I say you evangelist my part agra da ni so ni asofo no e chile me no be you e ba wo die chimini se me no be you se me de wo ya ko ni ya bra yi mo dia kuku dia chimia sina eti jina piti shamo mo de na ma wo nya kwe se chire wo so awra pai bo mo fra me next year wo so fra na ma wa ma chire me rinya wo se wo kwa kwada me kura wo ni fa me ya fa dume me rinya wo ma wa ta foda e ba sa se kama ni me wo shaso me dia me ni bo na me dia chiro me di wo be chap me di wo be du me be e fri se me ya me no wa phobia o ta ya tia me wo no me di wo be ye Emma no chunza agrada kwa kushia Mahama na okochia no zenkra ko aso ko na hag ba hag na amfa eti edane nchia ora say Thanksgiving service. And I have got the privilege to hug the president. So if I did not go to heaven, Emma, chia grada kwa chia Mahama ikura no. Na mesi se enya grada ya no kwa chia se bi de fia e ho ba asem no. Agrada kwa chia Mahama yi okodu fia enya mamma ne nkase kwa ho be kasa pe. Asebe sa ba wiku enyina de Mahama betwa. Se agrada kodu fero kasa pe. Wiku ye de Mahama betwa enu mu pe a Mama agrada nkasa. Enya sa agrada kasa say kim. The Mahama be the chief stake for this whole week. Now and then I celebrate Republic Day no. And then essentially the president my Ghana for you special gift. Gift na emo hwam gift na edoso pa ba making come into. And then no I say 1st July 25 na celebrate Republic Day no. These are the gifts I essentially admire. Wama 21.9% increment on value added tax on non-life insurance premiums. Just a near any life insurance Mahama add to the tax that's on tax that's on were tuned by 21.9%. And then what's another gift? Gift that also fuel prices increment by 5% on diesel. What two diesel 5%. And what's two petrol 2%. And then what's another third gift or do Mahama doye. Or doye or do Ghana broso. What's my gift me answer? Gift me answer no. 2.45% increment in electricity tariff effective 1st July. Let's say any year and shall over here 3rd May and your two light bill electricity bill two by 14%. And was out to by what? 2.45%. Enya no kwa. What some another gift? No. Prices of all locally manufactured plastic products to be increased by what? 7%. Just Mahama my gift ahodoɔ ɛnan masa yɛ bɛ nsɛm Mahama. Wayade. He says let's ayade. Wa my special package. Wa my gift. Gift ebi si wiase da. Wa my gift. Na saa gift ya Mahama de ahwe nyame anim. Ɛde ama yɛ. Na okoyɛ Thanksgiving service. Na okoyɛ Thanksgiving service. Wahwe nyame anim de ama yɛ no. Na social demonstration so there. Ghana for a clash on that. Enye easy. Omo fire ne pa.
Boy! Ibu Mahama, Bonne Benny Ayo, Republic Day, Shadow Diabetu Yaso, Ibu Mahama, Wickéd John Mahama, Ibu.
Anokwa mumi enka na Ghana for asofo mo hu aniwu papa. Mekoti say President Mahama declare a particular day for National Day of Prayer and Thanksgiving. E de ba de ne yakobo ho mpa ya da nyame ase wo ho. President Mahama ba yi say oyo obi a oye no kwarefo a enko beka say National Day of Prayer for Forgiveness of Sins because oba ye no waye Ghana for bone pa. Bosumi nsia pe no wasake enkwara Ghana for nkwara mo ye adwuma over 30,000. 30,000. Oba ye 6 months pe no wato kanea mu nko 17%. 17%. Enema Mr. Mahama can opposition, you know. But who cry no buy away? Opposite. Ne wo ye nyina ye entro. Ubaye just bosumi nsia pe o. What to kanea mu 17%. Akufo ado breso the whole of 2024. Auto kanea mu 6.48%. Now the 6 months at mu 17%. Me kote say ye koye National Day of Prayer for Thanksgiving. What's of Thanksgiving? Ni enti ni aban we ye asofo mo hu ye. Trumu a e kosui. Mo hu ye. Eno na wasenka mo komosi National Day of Prayer for forgiveness of sins. Emma President Mahama. Because ono ne breso e na ye tumi trumu fo atumi aba ekro yi mu. Akogina Independence Square baby ayesu ani in e de afra ne share ne nsam akofefi wo ma no atwitwa videos any pictures e bin see that akufo ado breast kro Andrew sam prempress we the we am ye papa we Mahama de mo ye din say National Day of Prayer for Thanksgiving for Thanksgiving 3 so monya de pano man here the moko ekra man here be ma nyankopon the more cases be Ghana for so because you guys are not truthful to yourselves. You the pastors, the so-called pastors are not truthful to yourselves. Because papa we buy ye nyina ye nim. Mama buy pe na dollar. They claim say dollar come from. Then so called banga unya dollar ni bi nto. They claim say fuel akofom na so aduane bo food goods and services kwa na ekosoro e bi see that say fuel abafom dollar atie free 14 point akufado free na 14.75 yeah atiaba the so called 10.80 no krampo no ukoban wa wunya bi o me say me ba Ghana just last month me call me fa bank ne di ntu Ghana me de betuja me call CBG enye se sika kese bi na me po na me pe just common £100 yeah me pe eno krampo nye se bia me koto me ami sika da bank ho no ma me ko imu £100 oh. These people made me sat down for 4 good hours 4 good hours, close to 4 hours. £100 then bada Obana Obisa no say we are working on it. Obana Obisa no say we are working on it. Had it not been Yankupon and Messi and Kankrofo way, they say no. It's been 4 hours and just come on £100 in Grofo in Yamamia. My way I'm a fly bit to jam. And I know palm, free bango, and I'm a baby. And I'm bed dress Echo Airport. When I must say dollar na form. Then so called banga, wouldn't be. I bought you mum and I walk dollar no. And I walk on 12 point something. Then so most already be another update. Would I bet to CD to dollar 10.80. And so called banga wouldn't be into. Increments my adwuma workers so by ye wuntua omuka contractors wuntua omuka. What at all is happening? Now, me I saw for say National Day of Prayer for Thanksgiving. For their Thanksgiving, Monkoye for forgiveness of sins for President Mahama because the name I no a abomination. Uncle Penyah make Chelsea rade me war opposition and some me catch a Ghana for me buy no me ya de fufro my yo bonnet my Ghana for bonnet and Yankupon me so fat me and no there was some Mokoye on that day of Thanksgiving no on that day of National Day no Monko Bompaye ensre boniface enfama NDC party ene President John Mahama galamsey or say Akufo-Addo the 1 week Akufo-Addo between the 1 week ayede esi galamsey no oba ye bosumi nsie nie galamsey no aye 10 times worse than Akufo-Addo mreso na mo sa Christian Council opinion leaders mu nyina ma ye din na ma sorry say mo beko National Day of Prayer for Thanksgiving. Monimu, are you guys not ashamed of yourselves? Mona mo say mona mo yem penifo ko ni nanso ne ekoso no mo ka ho sa asofo no asofo som so ko asofo a mo do mo say Ghana ekuto mu nyina na Ghana be ye ejin mo so no o ma ye din trumu koso mu nyina ma ye din mo nkasa Akufo-Addo breast mo hu dem we no this sort of hypocrisy bahu me say se mu nim na mo koye se mo ko bompa ya akoda nyame asia ma hwe asa na adwene Nyankopon abu foshu baba mo so because you guys know the truth but you are not doing it. Aniama Mahama ba ye musumi nsia de ekoso we kasa na ham media stations obi a obekasa bi atia obeka asem bi ebe tia aban no na pan ida ebe me suspend no ana say ye be me apamo no Kwame Sefa kan oko ya force peace FM peace for ama ya pamo Kwame Sefa kan Mr. Speaker Kesben because of could demonstration echi eno so no mama ya pamo no culture of silence no this is the real culture of silence and so asofofo emu so ko asofo ma ye din ma hwe Nyankopon abufo baba musu se mo ambie ma no ankasa ne ma bone ekoso no Yo, Mamon Koye National Day of Prayer for Thanksgiving bia. Monkoye National Day of Prayer for forgiveness of sins for NDC and Mr. Mahama. Bam. Eno na wasa Mokoye Nyankopon akuma ebeto ne yam. Because mo di Ghana for bone. NDC ne Mr. Mahama 6 months ni mo pamo adwumayefo nko over 30,000 a day. Na 24 hours na de buy and now say one shift 3 people no afahin. Ujina campaign platform sana wo kase ena me ba me mpamu obia mesa fa nipa mienu aka ba ko no ma ye miensa na 1 shift 3 shift say one job 3 shift eno akosi hin mo ye din na sofo na ma sorry say mu de mu nkona mu ko bompa ye say mu ko de nyame ase na mu bohu nyame bu fuhyo beba mo so no mu ko bompa ye empa nyame achew say rade ye serew President Mahama ba ye niema okan opposition no enye no na wo ye na mu opamo Ghana adwumayefo nkofo ye adwuma contractors nti omoka oba ye onye payment bia na nkaba ni say na dollar to me from as they claim me I know say artificial because my experience be my co bank just and I make am say just £100 me see care that bango £100 per me ko yi no 4 hours me transfer for us me send to me anka na me am sorry call ye ba wo kwa bochi wonu ma obenya bi wo ho no fu aba fom nanso enema bo kwa na ekosoro cement 2024 ansa na Akufo-Addo be free so no sisi ani etoni o de compound 45 Ghana cedis na abeka ho nanso mo ye din mun kasa mo ye din asofo na make mo da mun kona mo kasa mo ko bompa ye de nyame ase na mbo hu mu gyina ono ma na former pai na mo wura mu munim no kura no mo pese mo be ye trumu na ekosu left and right e okoni mo ye din.
Breaking news. Episode 4 Ochina July 1st. Ye to Kania boom electricity bill are buying it by 2.45%. It take effect Ochina July 1st. Ebusian for enough aban to petrol no so ochina na petrol by 2%, now 2 diesel no so by 5%. Ebusian for ochina na so aban said to a year insurance by 21.9%. Sa insurance cover a year property insurance, traveling insurance, more mudiga, mutu kwano insurance. Sa insurance na buying at the tax 21.9% at so. Abusian for health insurance also buying at the tax 21.9% at so. Nina take effect watching. And also if you are Abusian for all plastics are in Ghana, all plastics are in Ghana are binding a year 7% tax and so at so. And then also no you auto plastic bags, plastic chairs, plastic table, plastic bowl are in a year in Ghana. Abusian for abano atum by 7%. It take effect watching. Watching July 1st. I was saying a holiday in the Magana for naked Gianino. Abusian for abano and making the darkest day in our life. If we say or tutu Yonama Ebumu or the taxes at to in Yamaso. Abusian for abai papa. This is what we voted for. It's Yekenin to they enjoy abai papa with the Munas.
Thanks to God, when you are vindictive in nature, you are wicked in nature. When your modus operandi is to punish your enemies, whether they commit a crime or not, they must be punished. Then you turn around that you are doing national Thanksgiving. We know very well that they should have been celebrating a national day of repentance instead of national day of prayer. So Thanksgiving, we haven't seen any Thanksgiving anywhere. So today we are here to tell the whole of Ghana that whatever you saw after the Chief Justice came out and delivered his speech, whatever you saw is not real. That some particular paneling, you will see about 5 people, only 1 person is protecting the Chief Justice, the others are insulting her. It was not normal. It was orchestrated to make it look like the Chief Justice thing is just a no, Ghanaians don't like it. No, it wasn't Ghanaians. This was orchestrated by some people under the scene to make it look like the Chief Justice, people don't like her and they want her to go. It's not true. Ghanaians love the Chief Justice and they want the Chief Justice to stay. Because one of the things that can happen to our democracy is for a Chief Justice not to be part of the NDC. The President is having the executive power. He has the legislative power. Now he wants to take the judiciary in addition and do what with all these powers so that there will be no check and balances in whatever he's doing. So it means President Mahama is stepping on something. He has planned to do something and he's looking for support from all other angles so that when that is committed, he will not be able to be held liable. And that we, the people of Ghana, we say no, we will not allow it to happen.
NDC government, munye serious. Ebusianfo, NDC government, munye serious. Na 24-hour economy ni month na say ani hu sese munya anana ndis for na munim say abane mu wini ana. It took you guys by surprise. I mean tiase enti campaign promises na mo beye no mo beye for shege reasons and accident. Ebusianfo, President John Mahama, you promised 24-hour economy, and I must say 1st July with 24-hour economy more be implemented. So how are you guys going to implement 24-hour if you don't have that money? NDC munye serious. Na do di free SHS eba. Wa mekasi kadodo. The man boldly brought free SHS. Ema ne be bua Ghana for. Sisi NDC for ka che say they need about 400 billion. Ana ebusia for mu de mumien ko tie papa no, mun tie papa no.
We're looking at for it to cost if we put any figures to it.
Let me take that. The total estimated investment required over the next few years is about $4 billion times 10, so 400 billion Ghana cedis, and we hope it stays that way.
Ebusia for makuma ye me ya makuma. Inti tama mo ye mo manifesto na mo launch campaign. Mo antenance anwe hu say this amount of money na mbe nya photo. E say mo madada ye. NDC for mo ye scam papa, scam government. Ebusia for have you seen what they are telling us? It is 1st July no. That 24-hour economy na dey na ebeba so. NDC government munye serious. NDC as a whole party no munye serious. Na do free SHS or by ya 2016-2017 no start free SHS. NDC for more. Shame.
Tira John Mahama ewo comment when say mo say Montino so no. Mahama prayers and time himself no yeah no. Ghana for Eka. And what is your view on that? How you Penyah Media?